How often have you been in a situation where you needed to come up with a solid technical cost model for a network rollout in a very short time?
Are long nights spent with endless debugging of complex formulas nothing new to you?
Do the limitations of big Excel models with dozens of tabs frustrate you?
Or are you simply looking for a way to build cost models in an effective and time-saving way? Welcome to Technical Cost Modeling.
Done right. Technical cost modeling is an important method used by many consultants in different contexts. It's a vital part of every business case, due diligence, or any other project that requires an estimate of technical costs.
In this video series, we will teach you all you need to know on how to build a solid technical cost model. We will start with an overview of the theoretical concepts required to understand all building blocks of such a model.
After this, we will give you an introduction to Detecon's mighty and powerful network planning tool NetWorks.
In the next lessons, we will teach you everything you need to know to set up the model, manipulate its behavior, and tailor it to your needs.
We will then guide you step by step through the entire process.
Our entire series is designed in a consultant-friendly way, which means that we will provide you all the information you need in short modules you can watch at your own convenience.
Some of our lessons will be complemented with a quiz or exercise that will help you cement your knowledge and give you the necessary confidence to use it in projects. Now, grab your notebook, sharpen your pencils,
And let's get started.